Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. It really helps out the channel a ton. So today's product that I'm going to feature is available on Amazon, and you will see in the description a link that will take you to the Amazon page, where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. But basically what it is today that I'm covering, it is a bar glass rinser by a company called Fontop. This is the box it's going to come in once you order it, and then once you open it up, you're going to get all the parts and pieces. So let's go over that right now. So first off, you are going to get the hose that you're going to connect to your sink system. You are going to get the splitter here that is going to attach. So you're going to want to attach this. I'm personally going to attach it off the hot water line, but you can do the hot or cold water depending on which one ever you have your preference. These are all made out of metal, so there's no cheap plastic pieces here. The connection points anyways. And then you're going to have the little kind of steel here that this is going to go into the device, putting it together here on the bottom. You're going to have the pressure plate here that you're going to press down on, and it's going to have 9 little water jets, so it will fully get in there. Then you're going to have another set of silicone pieces, so if you don't like the gray color, you can swap it out with a black color. Now, I will say they have a lot of other colors too, so they do have colorful options if you want those. Then this is the pressure sprayer. As you can see right here is where all the holes are for the water jets. And then finally we have the instruction manual that's going to tell you how to install it all. And then we have the stainless steel bar rinser itself. So one of the nice things I like about this little set here is it is stainless steel. It is not made out of cheap plastic like some of the other products out there. So it is all metal, and it's pretty large, which is really nice. So the overall width here is 4.62 inches, and then the mouth itself is 2.7 inches, and then the lip here is 1 inch. So the water will stay in here. Now, it's something that is going to be kind of hard to tell here, but you see this little rubber piece here. This is going to allow it to be raised off the counter slightly. So if water gets underneath here, it can dry. You're not going to get like a bunch of white buildup and gunk. And then it's also angled. And I'm not sure if that's showing up here on the camera, but so the back part's raised higher and it slopes down, which means you're not going to get a puddle of water in the back side. It's all going to go out the main spigot. And then most importantly, it's going to fit an actual shaker. As you can see, it has plenty of room here for cleaning. So I like this. Obviously, if you have shakers, you can use that to clean, rinse these out. It makes it really easy. Same thing with glasses, if you're changing cocktails. Another great thing is if you have a baby, these make cleaning baby bottles so much easier. You can eventually get the soap in there, shake it up, kind of brush it out, and then push down on this, and it will quickly, thoroughly rinse out all that soap and all the chemicals and all that nasty stuff out of the baby bottle. So that is a big, nice little perk. Now, I am going to try to play some footage here of me installing it. The space is kind of tight, so hopefully I can capture that footage, but if not, we're going to come right back and show you it actually in operation and give you my final thoughts on how well it does. Alright guys, so now you have seen it kind of installed. Hopefully the footage turned out okay. It was a little tight space obviously, but yeah, so it's all installed nice and tight to the counter. Like I said, there's a nice little gap here, so that way you're not going to get crud building up. Air will be able to get in there and dry it out. It does have a slight tilt forward, so that will allow some of the water to come out. Any water that's left in there obviously will air dry. So now I want to point out a couple things. So it's going to include this little ring right here. I opted against installing that. What you can do is you can put it in right here and it will raise this up. But I prefer to have the pedals here level with the top. But that is an option if you want to raise it. They include a little riser here. And then I also like the gray pedals. They kind of look nicer with the stainless steel, but they do come with the black ones. And then of course, Fontop also sells a bunch of other colors if you want to have fun with other colors. But let me show you how it works. Basically, you got all the water pressure here, and then you have all your kind of pressure points for your pedals. So take your glass or your shaker or your baby bottle or whatever you're wanting to rinse out, and you're just going to put it on the center and then push down. And as you can see, it's got enough pressure. The water's going all the way up to the top here. It has a lot, so you can always add a little soap in here if you want, you know, so you can kind of scrub it, if you will. So, you know, you can kind of do this kind of situation, but to rinse it out really thoroughly, just stick on here, and you can see it rinses out. But obviously lots of pressure, water never comes over the edge. And then I have it hooked up to the hot. Like I said, you can do hot or cold, but the hot's what's gonna basically do that sanitizing of it. But yeah, so as you can see, it will make it nice and shiny and clean. And you can see the steam coming off of there. But overall, really, really nice. I do like the fact that it is all a metal. So you have a metal base here. This is all metal. So the only really silicone are the gaskets and the pedals themselves. Overall, really, really easy to install, and only takes maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes of your time. That is basically it. So if there's something I did not cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.